Want to embed a collaboration platform directly into your website? We'll explore several embedding modes available in ONLYOFFICE DocSpace. Open the Developer Tools and go to the JavaScript SDK tab. Enter URL into the Allowed Domains section to grant permission to websites. Select the whole DocSpace to embed and adjust interface settings. Once ready, choose a convenient form from HTML, JavaScript, or NPM, copy the generated code, and paste it into your website. This option allows you to integrate the entire DocSpace, including navigation, rooms, and collaboration tools. Next, let's embed a specific room. This approach is useful when users only need access to a dedicated collaboration space. Here's how it looks on the page. Sometimes a single document is enough. Let's configure document embedding in viewer mode, specify the path to the required file, and select it. Visitors can read service instructions and pricing information without leaving the page. Documents aren't the only thing you can embed. You can also integrate forms into your website. Here's the embedded form in action. Customers can select a service, choose a preferred date, and submit a request without being redirected elsewhere. Finally, let's look at Custom Embed. This mode allows you to choose which interface elements remain visible and which ones are hidden, creating an experience that fits your application. One platform, multiple embedding options. Embed what you need and customize what you want. Follow ONLYOFFICE on YouTube to watch other useful tutorials.